Alam mo ba guys na yung 50 pesos mo, ang kapalit niyan ay 1 million health coverage if in case lang na ma-diagnose ka ng critical illness. So makaklaim ka ng 1 million. And take note, 50 pesos a day lang yun guys. So ang tawag dyan, Health Start. And alam mo ba kung anong meron doon? Maliban doon sa coverage mo ng critical illness, mayroon din tayong tinatawag na return of premium. So, ano ba yung return of premium? Return of premium, yun po yung at age 75, pag wala kang claims, dahil hindi ka nagkasakit, ibabalik sa'yo lahat ng binayad mo. So, gusto mo ba yung ganon? And then, kapag na-diagnose ka naman ng minor critical conditions, makaka-claim ka pa ng 4 times ng 20% dun sa 1 million. So, meaning to say, 200,000 per minor critical illness. And take note guys, 4 na beses kang pwedeng mag-claim ng minor critical illness. And plus, so, kung mayroon kang anak na minor de edad, so, minor de edad is 0 to 18 years old, mayroon pa siyang free coverage of 200,000 if in case na siya yung ma-diagnose ng critical illness. So, and take note, on top of your 1 million. So, that is for free. So, para kang kumuha ng buy one, take one. No? Nagpa-insure ka para sa sarili mo and then may free para sa anak mo. So, gusto mo ba yun? Tipid, di ba? So, kung wala ka pang life insurance coverage or health insurance coverage, so you can contact your trusted financial advisor. So, yun na.